how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw basically an Among Us, snowman hat. It's going to be an Among Us crewmate with a snowman hat. It's really simple, easy, completely for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to do this, okay? So stick around. It's a short lesson. It's about 8 minutes, so stick all the way to the very end and you will learn, Among Us Christmas, all right? So let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget, if you like learning how to draw Christmas stuff, basically Halloween, Christmas is what the channel's all about. Mostly Halloween, but basically we're going to, it's a holiday channel. So hit the subscribe and click the bell notification so that next year when Halloween starts rolling around and then Christmas starts rolling around, you'll start seeing stuff on your feed for it. And it'll be great. So that's it. Let's get started, all right? I'm going to go over here and I'm going to have a curve for the top of the crewmate's visor. Curve around here for the side. Curve around here. Curve on the bottom. Let's go to the top. Curve down for the top of the head. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a straight line down here toward the feet. I'm going to go over here toward the back and maybe start over here somewhere on the air, and I'm going to pull down over here for, the other foot. Curve around the corner, up. Go over here, curve around this corner, up, right? He's got teddy bear feet. I always say that. Looks like a teddy bear. Really, simplistic, really simplistic. Gonna pull inward. Okay, so you have his lower waist, you have everything. Gonna start over here at the top of this, and I'm gonna pull out. Go over here at the bottom of the waist, pull line out. And I'm going to curve that line over here for the backpack. It's going to look like a loaf of bread almost. That's pretty much the way I see it. It just reminds me of like a loaf of bread on his back. Go up around the side for the back of his head. And now I'm going to start that snowman. The base of the snowman is a circle right here, sitting on top of his head with that snowman hat. Curve underneath here, on the corner, on the corner. Along the top over here as well, along the top. So he's got 3 layers, right? He's got like the big one, the middle, and then the top. And I'm going to draw a line across the top of the head for a hat. Line up, down, line across, and fill it in. Draw 2 eyes, little eyes, right? Because everything's kind of a smaller scale. I'm going to draw a little nose, a little triangle sticking out. Line across, line down for the scarf. He's got like a little scarf, like bitty scarf. The thing is, you have to go in really thin with this, so you have to be careful. So everything, like, you can barely see what I'm doing really. And I'm just gonna draw 1 dot and 2 and 3 down his body. I forgot his arms, by the way. It's like a Y at the end of it. Line over here, up. Y at the end of that. Okay. Let's go over here for the face shield, and I'm going to curve a line across it to make it look like a highlight, and then I'm going to draw a little circle right there. From there, I'm going to draw a thicker line just around the outside of this character because I want to stickerify it. I always say that. I want to stickerify this whole thing. Don't forget to hit the like, by the way, if you like Christmas or Among Us or just the drawing lesson. When you press like, it lets me know what else you want to see on the channel. So it'll absolutely let me know, like, hey, I like what you're doing, and I'll, we can see more, maybe Among Us, right? I guess I don't really have to draw a thick line around the hat because it's already, like, black. Looking good. And I'm going to go in with quick colors. That's it for the line art. I'm going to go in very, very quick with the colors real fast. Just real fast. Just a quick pass. I'm grabbing a marker here. You could always do it. I just chose a red. It doesn't have to be red. It could be blue or anything else the crewmates are like. But yeah, as far as the colors go, you can choose to do a... like, see, it's just flat with marker. You can choose to do a colored pencil. That I love colored pencil as well. The only reason I'm using this is because it's very fast in the demonstrations. I'm gonna give him like an orange nose. Wow, that's tiny as well. It's just gonna be like a dash right there, like a dash of an orange nose, and then like a dash of like a purple right here in the scarf, which you can barely see that he has on. And that's it. You can always add like a light blue over here, which I might do that right now just for the... Is that light blue? Dang, that's a really dark blue. Hold on. I was going to put a light blue down, but I'm like, it's way too dark. Yeah, I could do this. Light blue right here for kind of the reflection. That dot as well. But that's it. I want to thank you very much for sticking around. You're awesome. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you want to become a better artist, go to the description. There is basically my Skillshare lessons on how to draw all kinds of stuff like the body and everything else. If you really, really want to upgrade your skill, right now it's completely free when you sign up to Skillshare. Go take a look at that. There's a lot of value on there if you want to upgrade your ability to draw people, or even if you're a complete beginner. Everything I do is for beginners on that Skillshare. So go take a look at that when you have time. Thank you so much. And I'll see you soon, all right? See you later. Ooh, and Merry Christmas. I forgot about that. Say hi to me in the comments, by the way. See ya.